भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Hello, little learners. How are you? I hope everyone is safe and sound. So, in today's video, we will be doing grammar portion. Yesterday, we had done, it means in my previous video, we had done up till writing portion. Alright, expressing emotion, character description, and picture description. And in today's video, we will be doing half of the exercises of grammar portion. So are you all ready? What are we waiting for? Come on, let's get going. So the very first topic is these, that and those. You all know this topic very well. हमने एक poem भी की थी, these and these, near object, that and those, far object. See, we use these and these for near object. We use this for near object singular and these for near object plural. That for far object singular thing, those for far object plural things. Alright, come on, let's see the exercise portion for our better understanding. In the exercise, the very first question is, dash is a computer game. See, यहाँ पे ये जो arrow है, it will denotes that the object is near to us or the object is far to us. Alright, so this is a computer game as it's only single object, it is only one and it is near to us. So we will write THIS, these. Then dash are lorries. 2 lorries are there and they are far from us. So we will write those are lorries. Then dash is a camera. Far from us, that is a camera. Why that? Because it's only one. Then dash is a kite. It's near to us. So this is a kite. Dash are balls. More than one and it is near to us. So what we will write? THESE, these. Then dash are watches. More than one and it is far. See, long arrow denotes far object and short arrow denotes near object. So we will write those. Now this is a, what is this? Pen. So we will write this is a pen. Then dash is a dash. That is a eraser. And here ANN will come, okay? That is an eraser. Then those are chairs. CHAIRS, chairs, near object and more than one. Now come to the next page, page number 13. These, that and those. There is one more exercise. Come on, let us do it. Dash, my teddy bear. See, the object is far. So we will write that is my teddy bear. Look, those are our favorite teacher's books. Yes, books are more than one and it is far. So we will write those. Then dash a nice dog. That is a nice dog. Then that is a noisy. Then that is a noisy girl. Come on, now let's see the next one. Dash is a yellow bean. This is a yellow bean as it is near to us. Then dash are Tomic's small cars. Those are Tomic's small cars. Dash Mike's slow tortoise. Near to us. See, the arrow is near to us. So we will write those are Mike's small tortoise. Dash a new and clean bike. That is a new and clean bike. Then dash young students. Those are young students. They are far and more than one. Dash fast motorbikes. Those are fast motorbikes. Completed, little learners? Very good, everyone. Now please turn the page. Come to the next page. That is in page number 1414. In page number 1414, what we have to do in the very first exercise, we have to write can and cannot. Say filling the blanks हमें करना है. We have to write can and cannot. And we know we use can for the task which we are able to do. So can is for ability and can't is for disability. Come on, let's do it. I dash only speak English. I don't know any other language. I can only speak English. मुझे और कोई language नहीं आती. Right. Then what sports can you play the best? We are asking question कि आप कौन सा sport सबसे अच्छा खेल सकते हो? Then a dog can be man's best friend, but it can't help with the course. Now, narrow-minded people can't see the future very well. Then fish can't breathe outside the water. Dash you cook? Can you cook? We are asking question. Dennis doesn't want to go swimming with us because he can't swim. क्योंकि उसको तैरना नहीं आता, that's why he won't come with us for swimming. Now see the 8th one. It's really dark. It's really dark here and I can't see anything. मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. It's really very dark here. Now understood what is can and what is cannot? Little learners, cannot is a one word. Can and not is not two words. Okay, cannot is one word and the contraction form, the shortened form is can't. CAN''T. Can't. Okay, few of the letter is omitted from cannot and instead of that we had put a punctuation mark and we had written can't. So can is for abilities, the work which we are able to do. ऐसा काम जो हम कर सकते हैं उसके लिए हम can का यूज करते हैं. And ऐसा काम जो हम नहीं कर सकते, which we are disabled, when we are disabled to do something, at that time we use can't. Alright, now please come to the next page and question number 9 to question number 15 is your homework. Page number 14, question number 9 to question number 15 are your homework. Please tick and write it down, homework in these questions. Now, please come to the next page, page number 15. In page number 15, what we have to do is Complete the following sentences using is, am, are, was or were. We have to write is, am, are, was and verb as they are helping verbs. And how we will do it? Look, for more than one we use what? Are. For only one we use is. And with I we use am. And for past thing which has already been done, we use was and were. Was for singular and were for plural. So come on, what are we waiting for? Let's do it. What are you doing at 7 o'clock in the morning? What are you doing at 7 o'clock in the morning? You. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? 7 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing? What is you doing नहीं बोल सकते. What was you doing भी नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि हम तो अभी के लिए बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. Then I am sleeping when the telephone rang. Oh, I was sleeping when the telephone rang. So we will write was here. Why? Because look, rang. Rang is which form? Past form of ring. So I was sleeping when the telephone rang. Write it down was. Then when you phoned, I was working in the garden. Then when I got up this morning, the sun was shining. Have you finished the report? I am working on it. जो प्रेजेंट टेंस में जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उसके लिए हम am, is और are का यूज करते हैं. मगर अगर पास्ट टेंस में कोई सेंटेंसेस होते हैं तो हम was and were का यूज करते हैं. आपको सेंटेंस में कोई ना कोई हिंट मिल ही जाएगी कि पास्ट में है या प्रेजेंट में है. ऑलराइट. और जैसे जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपको और अच्छे से आ जाएगा. So practice more, okay? As practice makes man perfect. So I am painting all the day yesterday. I was painting. Here also was will come. Write it down. W-A-S was. W-A-S was. I was painting all day yesterday. Then the children are playing video games. They are still playing video games. She is working in the garden. The teacher is evaluating the answer sheet. You can't go out now. It's raining. Alright, little learners. So I hope this much is completed. Let us read all the sentences one more time. What are you doing at 7 o'clock in the morning? I was sleeping when the telephone rang. When you phoned, I was working in the garden. When I got up this morning, the sun was shining. Have you finished the report? I am working on it. I was painting all day yesterday. The children are playing video games. She is working in the garden. The teacher is evaluating the answer sheet. You can't go now. It's raining. I hope you all understood is, am, are, was and were. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask. I am always there to help you. Now, please come to the next portion, that is filling the blanks with has, have and had. Has, have and had. तो has हम कब लगाते हैं बेटा? Very good. We use has and have for present tense, as well as we use had for past tense. We use has as well as have for present tense, and we use had for past tense. We use has for singular object in present and have for plural object in present. It includes I also, and had we use for singular and plural both object in past. Alright? Come on. Now let's do it. I dash a pet dog. I have a pet dog. She has a sports car. यहाँ पे I had भी आ सकता है. I had a pet dog. It can become. Then she has a sports car. They have a big house in the city. My brother and I have a toy train. My brother has a blue shirt. Now look, we are talking about only one person here, and it is in present tense. The sentence is in present, so we had written has. And here we are talking about more than one, brother and I. It means we are talking about two persons. So we will write have a toy train. My doll has curly hair. Now turn the page, come to the next page, page number 16. In page number 16, there are few more words. There are few more questions of has, have and had. Come on, let's do it as well. See, we have a farmhouse in the country. It is a dog. It has 4 legs. The elephant has a trunk. The banyan tree has several branches. My grandmother has a diamond necklace. I have a red hat. The boys have a lot of homework to do. My daughter has lovely black hair. The girls have brought their books. Birds have wings and feathers. Rohan and Sanya, we are talking about two person. Rohan and Sanya, has आएगा कि have आएगा कि had आएगा? Very good, had आएगा. So we will write HD had here. Rohan and Sanya had gone to the market. Do you have a computer? We are asking a question. We have a picture book. She has won the match. She had won the match, not has. Okay? So this is how we had completed has and have wali exercise as well. Now come to fill in the blanks with do and does. तो little learners, do हम लगाते हैं फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ I, you, we, they के साथ, and he, she, it के साथ does लगाते हैं. So do you know where he is going? Write it down. Do you know where he is going? Does she understand the importance of working hard? Do they hold all night party? Do they hold all night parties? Where do they live? Where do they live? How do you operate this washing machine? See, जहाँ पे भी she है, as I told you, that जहाँ पे भी he, she, it होता है, वहाँ पे हम does लगाते हैं. और जहाँ पे भी you, we, they होता है, वहाँ पे हम you, we, they होता है, और I होता है, वहाँ पे हम do लगाते हैं. Alright? By keeping that subjective in your mind, you have to do this exercise. And question number 6 to 10 of page number 17 is your homework. Alright, now please come to the next exercise. And if you face any trouble while doing this exercise, feel free to ask me, I'll guide you. Okay? Now, complete the sentence about yourself using the words given below. See, इसमें अगर आपको कोई changes करने हैं तो you are free to do it, okay? Because it's about yourself and the answer may vary from person to person as everyone's choice and daily activities are not same. So here I had written, I never waste food. As it's a bad habit, we must not waste the food. We should not waste the food. So I never waste food. I sometimes eat junk food. Yes, I sometimes eat junk food. I'm always in good mood. Then I usually brush my teeth before going to bed. I never speak to my parents rudely. I always help my parents when needed. I sometimes help my parent with housework. I often participate in sports and activities. हम ये सारे क्या है? Never, sometime, always, usually, often. What is this? They are adverb of frequency. Very good. They are adverb of frequency. यानी ये बताता है कि हाँ, what is adverb? First tell me. Adverbs are the words which tells us more about verbs. Adverb ऐसे words है जो हमें verb के बारे में और जानने में help करते हैं. And these all are adverb of frequency. यानी कितने बार काम हो रहा है. Always or sometime. Never या usually या often. And that's all for today. So today we had learned about adverb of frequency, has, have, had, is, am, are, was, and were. Here is, am, are, was, and were. And then we had seen filling the blanks with can and can't. And then we had seen these and that and those. So we had completed up till here, up till page number 17. So tomorrow we will be doing from chapter number 18 to further exercises. And don't forget, if you have any doubt in any of the topic, you can ask me. I'll be definitely explaining you and guiding you in my online classes. Alright? So that's all for today. See you all later. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you and namaskar.